Hello everyone. In this video, we will implement program number 8, that is Kruskal's algorithm. As you all know that Kruskal's algorithm is used to generate minimum cost spanning tree. And you also know that minimum cost spanning tree is a subgraph with no cycle that includes all the vertices in the original graph. Then this Kruskal's algorithm is implemented using Java programming in this program. Then let's start with this program. Starts with the main program, public static void main string args. Then first you have to create one object for a class Kruskal's algorithm. Object as a k is equal to new Kruskal's algorithm, and using this object k you have to make call to three functions. One is called as read function, one is called as sort edges function, and another one is called as Kruskal's function, where read function will read all the inputs for Kruskal's algorithm. Sort edges will sort all the edges of the given graph using ascending order, and Kruskal's is a function that actually generates the minimum cost spanning tree. Then as you all know that the input for the Kruskal's algorithm is any weighted connected graph, and output is a set of edges that composes minimum cost spanning tree. Then let's first make call to the read function using k dot read. Then here is the read function, that is void read, that belongs to an class Kruskal's algorithm, and you have to make call to the function read with system.out.println. First enter number of nodes in a graph v, then v is equal to in dot next integer. Read the value of number of vertices in the given graph and assign it to the variable v. Similarly, read the number of edges in the given graph. Edge is equal to in dot next integer. Then next you have to initialize number of edges for the another class called as the edge using variable ge. Then next create set of objects for another class as new edge ez, where the class edge includes the three variables called as u, v and weight, where u and v will represent source vertex to destination vertex, and weight will represent weight of the edge u to v. Then here now we have to initialize weight for all the edges from u to v by using the for loop, that is for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than number of edges I plus plus g of I is equal to new edge. Create the object here, then system.out.println, enter information of edge plus I, system.out.print vertices of edge u to v, then g of I dot u is equal to in dot next integer, then ge dot I dot v is equal to in dot next integer, that is the edge from u to v. Then next you have to assign weight for an edge from u to v by using g dot I dot weight is equal to in dot next integer. This is all about the read function that will read all the corresponding edges also with their weights in the given input graph. Once you read all the inputs, next important thing is you have to sort all the edges according to their ascending order, because you know that Kruskal's algorithm works with the edges, and it starts with an sorted sorted weight of edges in the given graph. Then by using this function you have to sort out all the edges according to their ascending order, that is by using function edge t is equal to new edge, you have to create one object as the t. Then for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than edge minus 1 I plus plus. For integer j is equal to 0, j is less than edge minus I minus 1 j plus plus. If the weight of j dot weight is greater than the weight of j plus 1 dot weight, then temp is equal to g dot j is equal to g j plus 1, and g j plus 1 is equal to t. Just simply use the swapping function to swap the edges of all the or to sort the edges of all the edges in the given graph or the given input by using sort edge function. Then now discuss the actual function Kruskal that generates the minimum cost spanning tree. Then in this function void Kruskal, declare the variable integer age is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, k is equal to 0. Then t is equal to new age v minus 1, where v is number of vertices given in the graph. Then parent is equal to new integer v plus 1, where parent is a parent for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than vi plus plus parent I is equal to 0, where parent is a number of vertices that are actually considered to generate the spanning tree. But initially we don't know which are the vertices are used to generate the spanning tree. That's why initialize it with parent I is equal to 0. Then next, while age is less than v minus 1 and j is less than age, then check if the edges you are considered that makes a cycle or not. By using function if not cycle age of j, then t k plus plus is equal to g of j, then minimum cost is equal to minimum cost plus g of j dot weight, and increment the age plus plus, then increment the j plus plus. Then if age is not equal to v minus 1, then say that the number of edges is not equal to number of vertices minus 1, then say that minimum spanning tree cannot be formed. Or else the minimum spanning tree is possible, and you have to display the minimum spanning tree as system.out.println minimum spanning tree is for integer I is equal to 0, I is less than v minus 1, I plus plus, then system.out.println age ti.u from u to v ti.v, and display its minimum weight as ti.weight. Then finally display the system.out.println the cost of minimum cost spanning tree is equal to minimum cost. Then this is a function, cycle is a function to check the edges you are selecting that makes a cycle in a spanning tree or not. When it makes a cycle, then don't choose that edge or avoid that edge including into a resultant graph. That is by Boolean cycle edge e, if integer u is equal to e dot u and v is equal to e dot v, then while parent u is greater than 0, then initialize u is equal to parent u, or while parent v is greater than 0, then initialize v is equal to parent v, and if u is not equal to v, then parent u is equal to v, then return false. That indicates u and v is not equal, and that does not makes a cycle. Otherwise it makes a cycle and return value as a true. This is all about a function or a program to implement Kruskal's algorithm. Then let us run this program for some sample inputs as then first enter the number of nodes in a graph as 4. Then next includes the number of edges in a graph as suppose 5. Then next includes the weight for the each edge from u to v. Suppose that is the edge from 1 to 2 and its corresponding weight should be 5. Next the edge from a to edge from 1 to 4 and its corresponding weight should be as a 8. Next the weight from or the edge from 2 to 4 and the weight should be 6. Next you have to enter the weight from 2 to 3 and the weight as 5. Next again you have to enter the edge, fourth edge, that is from 3 to 4 and the weight should be as 8. Then with this inputs it will generate the minimum cost spanning tree. That is the minimum spanning tree starts from the edge 1, then 1 to 2 with weight 5, then from the edge 2 to 3 with weight 5, then from the edge 2 to 4 with weight 6, and the minimum cost spanning tree. The cost of minimum cost spanning tree is equal to 16.